Nebraska State Auditor Mike Foley says state agencies are making more and more mistakes in the financial books. Thanks for joining us. I'm Rob McCartney.
I'm Julie Cornell. New report shows $685 million worth of accounting errors by state agencies. If not caught, could mean taxpayer dollars go missing.
The KETV News Watch 7 investigative reporter Aaron Hegarty is here with more on why the auditor is frustrated. Aaron.
Rob, Julie, the reports show not only those accounting errors like putting funds in the wrong place, for example, but also cases of possible misuse of taxpayer dollars. Foley says there's not missing money. All the books ended up clean, but not before auditors looked.
People look at the financial statements of our state. They want to be able to rely on those statements. They can only because the auditors fixed it, not because the agencies fixed it. We caught the errors, we fixed it.
Mike Foley says tips from the auditor's office don't seem to be helping state government agencies keep track of taxpayer dollars any better. That includes the Departments of Health and Human Services, Labor, Transportation, Revenue, and Administrative Services. Letters detail $685 million worth of mistakes, more than the $535 million from the year before.
So it's jumped up quite a bit, and we're concerned about that. There's been some retirements. There's a continuing problem of trying to attract top quality people to run the finances of our state.
But he says a lot of the mistakes are ones agencies have made before.
One of the frustrations is the agencies say, okay, thanks very much. We don't really understand how you came up with your numbers, but we'll just take your numbers and plug them in. That's not good, because next year they'll probably have the same errors again.
Last year, KETV Investigates reported on what the auditor calls excessive overtime to an NDOT employee. The new letter reiterates the concern. They were paid more than $27,000 in overtime pay last fiscal year, much of it driving.
If they had proper records, we'd say, okay, fine, you can explain it, we're good with that. But in many instances, they don't have the kind of records that we would like to see.
And the letter to the Department of Labor says struggles with unemployment insurance awards continue, giving out money improperly at times. Foley says they are still in a tough spot after the massive wave of claims from the pandemic.
But we're still finding an error rate that's just not acceptable.
Each of the agencies tell the auditor's office they're working to improve their procedures. On the NDOT employee racking up overtime, NDOT tells the auditor they work to reduce the employee's overtime and travel and say it's reasonable. And DOL told the auditor they acknowledge the unemployment insurance issues and keep working to improve. Back to you.
All right, Aaron, thanks for uncovering